Hello guys, and welcome back to my HTML and CSS tutorial. In this video we will talk about the Doctype Declaration and we are going to do some lists. Before I start the lesson, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. Doctype Declaration is two-line piece of code that we always have to use this before our first HTML tag at the beginning of the code. So at the code here, the first two lines we are place our doctype declaration. A doctype declaration is just an information that we post in our web page to inform the browser which HTML version we are using. I think there are 3 or 4 doctype declarations, but normally we use this one transitional doctype. And remember, you should have this in all of your web pages. Now all we have our declaration ready in the top. So let me erase the table of the last tutorial. And let's start by doing some lists. There are two types of lists. One list we can write with the UL tag, which stands for unordered list. So let's start by this type of list, unordered list, and inside UL tags we will write LI tag, which stands for list item. And close the li tag. We can leave it open also, it doesn't need a closing tag, but it is better to close to read its content clearly. And inside the li tag we can type the list content. Let's type some planets: Earth, li Mars, li Saturn, li. So these will be the content of the list. So let's save this and open this in Chrome. Here it is. So as you can see, the unordered element creates a list in which every line begins with a bullet mark. So this is our unordered list. Now there is another type of list which is ordered list, and we can write it by typing the OL tag. Now this is an ordered list, and let's see what the ordered list looks like. Refresh. So every item in ordered list begins with sequence number, the decimal sequence number. Okay, so this is all for the lists. It's so easy. And if you have any question or suggestion, please let me know in the comment section below. And in the next video we start with CSS, and I think we have the basic knowledge of HTML to start CSS. See you guys in the next video.